She couldn't speak English, so he left her, but she returned stronger. She was just a simple village girl. Her only fault, she couldn't speak English. Her husband laughed at her, insulted her, and then left her for someone else. But what happened next will shock you. Once upon a time, there was a sweet and simple girl named Jenny. She lived in a small village. Jenny was kind, honest, and always helped others. But she never went to a good school, so she couldn't speak English. One day, her family arranged her marriage with a man named Rocky. Rocky lived in a big city. He was smart, rich, and spoke very good English. Jenny was nervous but excited to be his wife. After marriage, Jenny moved to the city with Rocky. She thought her life would be happy. But things changed quickly. Rocky never loved her. Rocky never smiled at her. He didn't talk kindly. He never touched her or hugged her with love. He was always rude. Whenever Jenny tried to speak, Rocky would laugh and say, "You don't even know how to talk properly. Your English is so bad." Jenny felt sad and small. She stayed quiet. She tried to make him happy, but nothing worked. One day at a party, Rocky invited his friends for dinner. They were all speaking English fast. Jenny didn't understand. She stayed quiet. One friend asked her, "So Jenny, what do you do?" Jenny smiled nervously and said in broken English, "I am home. I cooking and clean." Everyone laughed, even Rocky. Later that night, Rocky shouted at her, "You embarrassed me. You are just a village girl. You don't belong here." Jenny cried alone in the kitchen. Then he left her. A week later, Rocky gave her divorce papers. "I'm marrying someone else. A smart girl. A girl who can speak English." Jenny's heart broke into pieces. She went back to her village, alone. But Jenny didn't give up. She cried for many nights. But one morning, she stood up and looked in the mirror. She said to herself, "I will learn. I will speak English. I will become strong." Jenny started learning. Every morning, she watched English videos on YouTube. She read children's books. She practiced speaking in front of the mirror. She joined free online classes. Slowly, she improved. Years passed. Jenny learned English. Then she went to college. She studied business and marketing. She worked hard every day. People started noticing her. She got a job at a big company. Then she started her own business. Her company grew fast. Soon, she became a millionaire, strong, independent, fluent in English. And then came the day. One day, Jenny heard that Rocky's company was in trouble. It was going to be sold. Guess who bought it? Jenny. Rocky came to the office to meet the new owner. He opened the door and saw her. His mouth opened in shock. Jenny stood tall, in a smart suit, speaking fluent English. "Hello, Mr. Rocky. I believe you work here now." Rocky couldn't believe it. "You speak English? You own this company?" Jenny smiled. "Yes, I couldn't speak English back then, but now I speak success." Moral of the story: never judge someone by their English. Education can change your life. Pain can make you powerful. And the girl from the village? She became the queen of the city.